In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do custom CSS on your Wix website in 2025. This is a fantastic way to add a personalized touch to your site and ensure it stands out from the rest. We'll walk through the process step by step, so let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to crafting your site. Once you're in the editor, your first action is to look for the option that says Embed Code. This feature is a gateway to adding custom elements like HTML and CSS to your site, ensuring that it meets all your aesthetic desires. Next, you'll want to click on Popular Embeds. This section hosts a variety of helpful tools and options that can increase your website's functionality. It's a place where you can easily find pre-made snippets that can be very handy. But for today, we are going to dive into the area where all the custom work gets done. Once you're in the Popular Embeds area, select Embed HTML. This is an important choice as it opens the door to inserting your custom code. No worries if this seems a bit technical, I'll guide you through it and help you feel comfortable with the process. Once you choose to Embed HTML, a pop-up will appear on your screen, inviting you to enter your code. This is where you'll either type or paste your custom HTML and CSS. If you have your code ready, simply paste it in. Alternatively, you can write it from scratch if you're confident in your code writing skills. Remember to keep your CSS concise and precise to ensure it affects your web page as intended. After entering your code, hit Update. By doing this, you'll notice another pop-up showing the results of your code implementation. This is an exciting moment because you get to see your custom CSS in action on your site. It's a good idea now to take a few minutes to test your newly implemented style. Try refreshing the site or previewing it as a visitor would to ensure everything looks exactly how you planned. And there you have it. You have successfully embedded custom CSS and HTML into your Wix website. By following these steps, you can now add unique stylings to your website, making it a reflection of your personal or brand identity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to continue experimenting with different styles and codes to see how many exciting and varied designs you can create. Enjoy your newly customized website on Wix and keep refining it as your style evolves. Happy designing!